In this question, Bright Company Limited, it is a problem of under subscription. So there are 3 installment students, application, allotment, first and final call. Application is how much rupees? Rupees 3. So you just focus on this 3 rupees and this 40,000 students. Please ignore this amount. E amount annu ignore madbeku. In the entire problem, this amount we are going to ignore it. It is actually company wanted this much, but people have purchased only 40,000 shares. So just ignore this amount. That's it. Ashte difference. Yes. Now see, we'll pass the entry. That is money is collected. Our entry is same. Bank account debtor. Leave little space to equity share application account. Yes, bank account debtor to equity share application account. Number of shares is how much? Just now I told you. Please ignore this amount. E amount no. Ignore it because company wanted, but money has not received. So forget it. So 40,000 and this 3. Only on these 2 amounts you will concentrate. Okay. So right, 40,000 into 3. When you multiply, you get 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Narration, being equity share application money received. Application money received. On how many shares? 40,000 shares at rupees 3 per share. Fine? Yes. Next account is open as capital account. That is equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account ke credit agtade. Entry is equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. Same amount you are going to transfer here. Ide amount annu transfer madudu. Being application money transferred to share capital account. Yes. Okay. So what did I do? First 2 normal entries I have passed. Bank account debtor to equity share application to equity share capital. Remember this. This will come here down. Here it comes up. Remember. Amount to 40,000 into 3. You have to just focus on E amount matra. Idakke just ignore it. Fine? Yes. Now you are passing the entry for allotment. Allotment again there are 2 entries. So focus on this rupees 5. Allotment how much is there? Rupees 2 ante. Number of shares is 40. Yes? Okay. See, write the entry. Equity share allotment account debtor. Leave little space to equity share capital to security premium account. Premium account is credited. Why? It is a gain for the company. Rupees 2 is a premium. So equity share allotment account debtor. Please write when I'm explaining. Okay. Equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account to security premium account. Fine. Yes. Amount you're going to write. Right. Number of shares is 40,000, 40,000, 40,000. Yes. Then allotment rate, how much they are telling? Allotment rate is how much? See, it is rupees 5. Premium is rupees 2. Number of shares is 40,000. Idhar mele focus mad. So right. Allotment rate is 5. See, I have written 5. Security rate is 2. 5 minus 2 is how much? 3. Multiply it and write here. 2 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 80,000. Being allotment money due. Due andre enu, it is like, the share company is calling and telling the shareholders this much money you have to give. So this entry will be passed. Yes, equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital to security premium account. Fine. Yes. Please ask me doubts if you have. Okay, you can unmute and freely ask. The 4th entry is on. What is the 4th entry? Yes, here. Bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. This is the 4th entry. Money is received. Money received adaga, company will deposit into the bank. The bank increases. So bank account debtor to equity share allotment. 2 lakh. From where 2 lakh? Illinda allotment how much transfer agide this year? 2 lakh, no? This amount only you will write here. Yes? 2 lakh, right? 2 lakh. Being allotment money received. Yes? 4 entries are done. Fine? Yes. Any questions clear? Any doubts you have? Dikshita, in doubt ideya? Yes. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry for, which is that? Yes. We are going to write the entry on rupees 4 on first and final call. See, I am audible, right? Nan mataadudu nimge kelista ideyalla. Please tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Now we are passing the entry on rupees first and final call. So you'll focus on rupees 4 and number of shares is 40,000. Yes. So I'm writing here. Equity share first and final call account debtor. First and final call word is given in the question. Equity share first and final call account debtor. Leave little space. Equity share capital account. Yes, equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, number of shares 40,000 bariri into 4. Rate is 4 given in the question. 40,000 into 4. Multiply madidre 1,60,000, 1,60,000. B, share first and final call money due. Due and it is again like, it's like principal is calling you. See, other day for parent teacher meet you all came, no? Before that, principal had sent a message and you have to pay your fees. So our stage is Avaga, this entry is passed in the company. Yes. Equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes. B in a share first and final call money due. On how many shares? 40,000 shares at rupees 4. Now, actually, see, like yesterday, 3 days back, you all came and deposited the money. So money, what in the office they did? Yes, they collected the money, then they deposit the money into the bank. So bank increases. So bank account debtor to equity share first and final call account, right here, okay? First and final call account. Equity share first and final call account. Ika 40,000 minus 1,000, why they have done? Anyone can tell? Yaake ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 minus 1,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Sadhika, can you tell me? Minus 1,000, why they have done there? Yeah. Yeah, Atmika will tell. Yes, Atmika, you can tell. Yeah.
In the question, they have given final call on 1,000 shares.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Very good. See, because they have given the questions here, all the shares subscribed, money duly received, except a final call on 1,000 shares. That means on final call only 1,000 shares money is not received. Yes, so that money cannot be counted. That's why 1,000 minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Total number of shares was here 40,000 namdu. Minus 1,000. 1,000 shares money is not received. So that will give you 39,000. Yeah, Navneet, tell. Any doubts? Yeah, Navneet, you can tell. You have raised your hand. Yeah, unmute and tell. Okay. 39,000 into 4. Why 4? Share rate is 4 only. When you multiply, you'll get 1,56,000, 1,56,000. B, narration what? Share first and final call money received. On how many shares? On 39,000 shares. Yes? Okay. Clear? Did you all understand? It is similar what we have done now in previous classes. Same it is. Only that 6 lakh ignore ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Yes? Now the important entry. Next we are passing the entry for which sentence? This. The directors decided to forfeit these shares. These shares andre illi 1,000 shares. This 1,000. ಈ sentence ಗೆ 7th entry will be passed. What is the 7th entry? Yes. That is equity share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to equity share final first and final call account. See, if you want, no students, I will write and show you this entry. We will write this. Please write along with me. Equity share capital account debtor. This is your LF. Idu nimma amount, debit, credit, to forfeited, okay? To forfeited shares account to equity share first and final call account. Please excuse me for my handwriting. I'm writing in this digital pad, so ಅಷ್ಟು clean ಆಗಿ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Okay. How many shares were cancelled? Linisha, ಎಷ್ಟು shares cancelled ಆಗಿದೆ? You can tell how many shares are cancelled?
1,000.
Yes, very good. Thank you. 1,000. So what I'm doing here, students, see amount how to write? Yeah, right here. 1,000 into, cover the bracket. 1,000 into, cover the bracket. 1,000 into, cover the bracket. Capital rate is how much as? See the question. Capital rate is rupees 10. This 10 each. Okay. First and final call rate nodi 4 ide. So 1,000 into 10, capital rate is 10. First and final call rate is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now multiply. It will give you debited this much amount. 2, 3, 4. That is 10,000. Here it is 6,000. This it is 4,000. Correct? Fine. Write this like this. The entry will look like this. If you're getting confused, no, this you avoid it, leave it. Okay. Be in a forfeiture of 1,000 shares. Why? For non-payment of final call money. Yes, be in forfeiture of 1,000 shares for non-payment of final call. Fine? Yes. Now we have to pass the entry for which one? Yes, I hope you understood this entry, no? Equity share capital account debtor, 2 forfeited shares account, 2 equity share first and final call. Number of shares 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 ಮಾಡಿ. Capital rate 10, ಇದು 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Yes. Now we are passing the entry for this sentence. Reissued at rupees 7 per share, fully paid. So you'll focus on rupees 7. Okay, is 7 rupees ಮೇಲೆ focus ಮಾಡಿ. So reissue agide, money is received. Money is received adaga, what is the entry? Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor, to equity share capital account. Forfeited is debited. Why? It is loss. Okay. Maybe I'll write and show for you all. Please write the entry, the 8th entry. Okay. Right. Money is issued. Money kodtare. So bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor. Why it is debited? Because it is loss. 2. See, I'm leaving little space here. Okay, like that. Equity share capital account. This is your LF. This is your debit credit. Okay. LF debit credit. Rupees baririya. Total number of shares is how much as? Once again, fix on that only. 1,000 into 1,000 into 1,000 into. It is reissued for how much? Reissue agide eshtu ದುಡ್ಡಕ್ಕೆ? Steffi, can you tell? Reissued for
7.
Very good. 7 rupees. Correct. See, why 7? You'll know, students. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 7 rupees ಪುನಃ someone is purchasing. ಈಗ 1,000 shares cancel ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Now some one person, maybe for example, maybe Steffi only is selling, I will purchase it for rupees 7 ಅಂತ. Okay. Like this. So reissued at 7. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Capital rate is 10. We know that. 10 minus 7 is how much? 3. Multiply, when you will get here 7,000. Get here 3,000. Here it is 10,000. Fine. This you should get. Correct? Entry should look like this. Bank account debtor, forfeited shares account debtor to equity share capital account. Yes, amounts. Last entry you have to transfer it to forfeited shares account debtor to, please write here, to capital reserve again. Reserve account. Here andre profit ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ that you have to transfer. Amount what? Don't worry. Is 7th entry alli forfeited shares account how much is credited? This much company has received. This is profit. Credit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Credit side is written. No, 6,000. Company has received. ಆದರೆ 8th entry alli ನೋಡಿ students. In the 8th entry, see forfeited is debited. Debit column alli ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 3,000. It is loss. So it is 6,000 credited profit minus 3,000 loss. Adru kuda how much company has? 3,000 it has. This 3,000 will be transferred to capital reserve. Okay, please write it. Fine. Okay. The entry will look like this. Narration, what you'll write? Be in a balance of forfeiture transfer to capital reserve. Yes, be in a balance of forfeiture account transferred to capital reserve. This is the problem. Okay. See students, one more problem. You can write it. Maybe this question I've sent also in the group later. I have sent it. You can write it here. ABC company issued 10,000 shares at rupees 10 each. Payable how 3 installment, application, allotment, first and final call. Illi premium illa, it is at par. Okay. So this like this similar like this question, no, it is very unlikely to ask in the exam. Okay. Mostly such questions are not asked, but we will do it since it is there in the syllabus. Then question continues. Okay. The question is like this. Continue ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇದು. The company received application for 9,000 shares. See, company had issued how many? 10,000 shares. But application sikkide only for 9,000. Actually 10,000 ittu. Company has received only for 9,000. That means less. It is under subscription. All these shares were allotted, money duly received, except the first and final call 400 shares. These were forfeited, reissued to Ram. Ram purchase ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ at rupees 9 per share. Yes, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Issued 10,000 shares a company is giving. Okay, at rupees 10 each. 3 installment ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ. Okay, but it has purchased only 9,000 shares ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. It is like what, 10 chocolates the shopkeeper wanted to sell, but only 9 is purchased. Under subscription, 10,000 shares company had given, but only 9,000 is purchased. Application 9,000 ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿದೆ. So this is under subscription. So in the entire problem students, ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ignore ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to just ignore this amount. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ignore ಮಾಡಿ just focus on this amount. ಯಾವುದು? ಈ 9,000 ಮೇಲೆ focus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, remaining all is the same. So I will just roughly explain it to you all. Okay, here mattondu nodi students, here they have not mentioned shares yaudu, equity shares are, preference shares are, nothing they have told. So we will just write shares. See here, only shares they are telling. Here equity kuda illa, preference also is not there. Okay, so we will write like this. Please write if you want. It is a homework problem, just ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು journal entries. Okay, LF debit credit rupees. Bank account debtor to share application. Your equity preference no need of writing. Why? Because they have not mentioned anything. Bank account debtor to share application. See this question, we will do little interaction. You all should only tell me, okay? Okay. 9,000. Why 9,000 I have written and not 10,000? Pooja, can you tell? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 9,000 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 10,000 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? Please unmute and tell first. See here, 10,000 is there, no? But why 9,000 I'm written?
Because
yeah, okay. Then you're
and
like,
divided by
okay. Yeah. Anyone, Aditya can tell me why 9,000 I'm written? Unmute and tell why 9,000 I have written and not 10,000. Because number of shares received for 9,000. 9,000 illi. Okay. Yes. Into 3. Why 3 madidene? Application rate is how much ante? See here. Rupees 3 on application ante. Rupees 3 on application. Fine. So multiply bank account debtor to share application account. When you multiply, you will get 27,000, 27,000. Yes. Next, money is transferred to capital account. So share application account debtor to share capital account. Amount same, transfer after that. Being application money transferred. See, I'm explaining it little fast because this is a homework problem and it is very simple, and such questions are not, this question will not be asked mostly. Okay, but this is just like for you to work out. Okay. Yes. Next, allotment. Allotments here. What is the rate they are telling? Sorry. Allotment rate in ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ₹3 per share on allotment. Here, so share allotment account debtor to share capital. Here premium is not there. Please don't write premium. Then bean, please write bean. Okay, narration is there. Bean share allotment money due. ₹3 allotment. Multiply maadi. Then money is received. Bank account debtor to share allotment account. Same money will be transferred. Bean allotment money received. Yeah. Okay. Next, what they are telling question in ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ here. First and final call ₹4 ಅಂತೆ. Focus on this 4. ಮತ್ತೆ amount ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು 9,000. So share first and final call account debtor to share capital account. 9,000 into 4 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Then being a share first and final call money due. Yes. Last, for the money received, bank account debtor to share first and final call. How it came? 8,600. Who can tell? Ill amount in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 9,000 minus what I have to do? Wait, before writing this, no, you write like this. 9,000 minus, who can tell? Wait, someone who can. Ashrit, can you tell? Ashrit, tell. 9,000 minus in ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Please unmute and tell. Or Kaushik, can you tell? 9,000 minus what I have to do? See, be interactive in the class. Who can tell? Shivani P, can you tell?
400.
Yes. Why 400 shares? Correct. Very good. Number of shares 400. Money is
Money is
not.
not.
Yeah, very good. Correct. Money is not received. Minus 400 will do. So you'll get 8,600 into 4. When you do, you'll get 34,400. Fine? Yes, correct. Now entry is for the forfeiture. Share capital account debtor to forfeited shares account to share first and final call account. Yes. Number of share cancelled is 400, 400, 400. Capital rate is 10. First and final call rate is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. You have to multiply. Yes. Since it is homework problem, I'm going little